In today's video, we'll try to learn about how to create employee groups. For the creation of employee group, we have to activate payroll accounting system, which is I showed in our last video. You can check this from our description link. Now we will try to learn how to create employee groups. For this, go with come here, get up tally, then go with create, then select employee group under payroll masters. Now put the group's name, which is accounts. Accounts under will be primary. Define salary details, it will be no. Then press enter and accept will be yes. Press enter, accept yes. And to another create another one, which is administration. Under will be primary, at define salary details, it will be no. Accept yes. This is how we can create employee groups. In our next video, we will try to learn how to create employees in our Tally Prime. First of all, we have to activate the payroll accounting system, which I showed in our in a video, in our last video. You can see this last video from here. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.